The plaintiff thereafter states that he wished to construct residential house building for his own occupation adjacent to the property as per agreement, which is very close to his proposed residence stop. Plaintiff is alleged to have made solid arrangement for the same stop. It was specifically inter alia stated that the plaintiff had arranged balance consideration and he was continuously ready and willing to take the assignment right from the date of the agreement, that is on 24 March 2007 and thereafter in future as well stop. We further notice that on 24 March 2008, which as per Exhibit A1 agreement was to be the last date under the agreement, the plaintiff and the defendant claimed that they were present at the office of the sub-registrar stop. According to the plaintiff, the defendant was collusive and could not be contacted over the phone and he was unavailable. Stop para. The plaintiff filed a complaint before the police on 24 March 2008 in the evening stop. He also followed it up with a petition before the sub-registrar on 25 March 2008 stop. Within 3 days from 24 March 2008, that is on 27 March 2008, the present suit came to be instituted claiming specific performance stop. In the plaint, after referring to the agreement, the plaintiff has alleged that he was always ready and willing to perform his obligations stop. The blame was put at the doorstep of the defendant for breaching the contract stop. The defendant in his written statement on the other hand blamed the plaintiff for breach and it was his case that plaintiff was ready and willing and he was not ready with the funds. Stop para. The trial court struck the following issues: whether the plaintiff was ready and willing to perform his part of the contract, whether the defendant committed breach, and whether the plaintiff is entitled to get a decree for specific performance stop. The trial court inter alia found as follows stop. It is true that plaintiff has not produced any document to show that he was having ready cash covering the balance consideration payable by him under Exhibit A1 at the relevant time stop. Of course, certain documents are produced to show that presently he is having some ready cash in the form of fixed deposits and in the form of share certificates, etc. stop. I do not think that any of these documents are much relevant in this case for the reason that in the nature of the dispute the plaintiff has to prove his capacity to pay the balance consideration within the period shown in Exhibit A1 stop.